Hello! In this video, I will show you how to migrate ARMember affiliate add-on data to Affiliate Press easily. First, let's check the basic setup of Affiliate Press and confirm whether any data is available or not. Go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. Here you can see no data found. Now open the Visits page. Here as well, no data is found. Now open the Affiliates page. Here also no data available. Now go to the Affiliate Press Add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Add-ons page. Scroll down and activate the Easy Migration Tool add-on. Add-on activated successfully. Now click on the Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press Migration page. Now, click on the Migrate Data from ARMember Affiliate button. Affiliate Press also provides a migration summary. Verify the count and click on the Confirm button. ARMember affiliate data migrated successfully to Affiliate Press. To open the Commission page. You can see the commission data is now added. Now open the Visits page. The visit records have also been added successfully. Now open the Affiliates page. Here, you can see all the affiliate users. Now open the Creatives page. This is the Affiliate Press Creatives page, where you can see all the affiliate banners.